there, curious minds! I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the fascinating realm of quantum computers. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Quantum computing sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But I promise you, it's more than just fiction. It's a groundbreaking technology that is reshaping our understanding of how information can be processed. So, stick around because by the end of this discussion, you might just see the world of technology in a whole new light. Let's kick things off by talking about what quantum computing really is. At its core, quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics. If you remember your high school physics, or maybe not, quantum mechanics deals with the behavior of incredibly small particles, like atoms and photons. It's a world that doesn't play by the same rules as the larger universe we interact with daily. Now, how do these quantum principles translate into computing? Great question. Classical computers, like the one you're using right now, process information in bits. That means everything is broken down into binary format, zeros and ones. This is pretty efficient for many tasks, but there are limitations when it comes to complex problem solving. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use quantum bits or qubits. And here's where it gets really cool. A qubit can exist in a state of 0, 1, or both simultaneously, thanks to a property known as superposition. Imagine throwing a coin into the air while it's spinning. It's neither heads nor tails. That's a bit like how qubits function. They can perform multiple calculations at once. Isn't that mind-blowing? You might be thinking, okay, but what does that mean in practical terms? Well, quantum computers excel at tasks involving large amounts of data and complex calculations that can take classical computers ages, like simulating molecular interactions in drug discovery or optimizing large logistics problems. Just imagine if we could discover new medicines faster or solve traffic flow issues in real time. And there's another fascinating aspect of quantum computing: entanglement. This is the idea that qubits can become intertwined, meaning the state of one qubit can depend on the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This connection opens up incredible possibilities for data transfer and processing. It's akin to having a superpower in computing that classical systems simply can't match. Now, let's make this more relatable. Think of a maze. A classical computer would traverse the maze one path at a time, taking what could feel like an eternity to find the exit. A quantum computer, however, could explore multiple paths simultaneously. This ability can vastly speed up problem solving in various fields, from optimizing supply chains to enhancing cryptography. Now, let's engage a little. How many of you have heard about quantum computers before today? Maybe you've read a little about them, or perhaps this is your first time hearing about it. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts! Whatever your experience level, remember that quantum computing is a rapidly evolving field, and every day brings new advancements. So, what's the future of quantum computing? Major tech companies and governments are pouring resources into research and development. We're witnessing a race to build the first practical quantum computer, one that can surpass classical computers in real-world tasks. Companies like IBM and Google are leading the charge, and breakthroughs are happening more frequently than ever. Before we wrap up, let me emphasize one last point. While quantum computing holds enormous potential, it's important to remember that it's not about replacing classical computers but rather enhancing our capabilities in ways we never dreamed possible. We're on the brink of a technological revolution, one that could touch every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and finance to climate science and artificial intelligence. So, thank you for joining me on this exploration of quantum computing. I hope you found it as exciting and enlightening as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content, and feel free to share this with someone who might benefit from learning about this revolutionary technology. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and technology.